Hey there, Chet here. If you're looking for a CRM that is packed with features but still easy to use, Zoho CRM is one platform that stands out. It's designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their sales, marketing, and support in one place without the need for a huge IT team to run it all. In this video, I'll break down everything that you need to know about Zoho CRM, its features, strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, Zoho CRM is all about helping teams work smarter with less effort. You can manage leads, track deals, set follow-ups, and automate daily tasks all from one easy dashboard. It comes with tools for workflows, email campaigns, sales forecasting, and even a built-in AI assistant called Zia that gives sales suggestions and predictions based on your data. Everything's made to reduce manual work and keep your pipeline moving smoothly. Now let's go over the core features. Zoho CRM will give you modules for managing contacts, accounts, deals, and tasks. You can also create custom modules to fit your business needs. It supports email integration, call logging, and social media tracking, which helps teams keep communication in one place. Plus, that drag and drop automation builder makes it easy to set up rules that trigger emails, tasks, updates, or record changes. Next up, Zoho CRM is big on customization. No matter if you want to add custom fields, set user roles, or adjust the interface for different teams, it really gives you a lot of control. It also has territory management tools, multi-user portals, and options for building client-facing pages. If you're managing large teams or different regions, this flexibility really helps keep things organized. Furthermore, Zoho CRM works well with other Zoho apps like Campaigns, Inventory, and Desk. You also get integrations with Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, MailChimp, Slack, and more through Zapier. This makes it easier to keep your entire workflow connected without switching between tools all day. Now let's take a look at pricing. Zoho CRM offers 4 main paid plans. The standard plan is $20 per user per month. The professional plan is $35 per user per month. The enterprise plan, which includes advanced features like custom functions and multi-user portals, costs $50 per user per month. And finally, the ultimate plan is $65 per user per month and adds tools like advanced analytics, extended limits, and unified business insights. There's also a free edition for small teams, which includes basic features and supports up to 3 users. So overall, Zoho CRM is a strong option for businesses that want an affordable, flexible CRM that can scale with their growth. It may not be as flashy as some newer tools, but it's reliable, feature-rich, and backed by a full ecosystem of apps. All right, that's it for this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.